Looking for ways to make money this Valentine's Day? Well, get ready to turn those hearts into dollars. Today, we're going to explore some creative and effective ways to cash in on the season of love. First on the list is selling handmade gifts. Nothing says I love you more than something made from the heart. Consider crafting unique, personalized items such as jewelry, cards, or even baked goods. Quality and creativity are key here. Remember, it's the thought, effort, and originality that add value to these gifts. Next, let's talk about offering romantic experiences. Many people are looking for memorable and special moments to share with their loved ones. You can capitalize on this by providing unique experiences like couples cooking classes, romantic picnics, or even surprise date nights. Think outside the box and offer something that will create lasting memories. Another profitable idea is to start a Valentine's Day event planning service. Many individuals and businesses are in need of assistance when it comes to organizing romantic events. You can offer your expertise in planning and executing unforgettable experiences, such as intimate dinners, surprise proposals, or even theme parties. If you have a talent for writing, consider offering personalized love letters or poems. Many people struggle to express their feelings in words, and they would gladly pay for someone to help them convey their emotions. You can offer customized letters or poems that capture the unique essence of each relationship. Lastly, don't forget about the power of social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your Valentine's Day products or services. Create visually appealing posts and engage with your audience to generate interest and drive sales. Social media can be a powerful tool for reaching a wide audience and attracting potential customers. So whether you're a creative crafter, an event planner, a talented writer, or a social media guru, there are plenty of opportunities to make money this Valentine's Day. Get started today and turn your passion into profit. Secondly, how about becoming a Valentine's Day event planner? Many couples and even groups of friends look for unique experiences on this special day. You could arrange romantic dinners, movie nights, or even virtual events. The key here is to provide a memorable experience that's worth every penny. Next, consider offering gift delivery services. With the hustle and bustle of modern life, many people appreciate a service that saves them time. You could deliver flowers, chocolates, or even that special surprise gift from one lover to another. It's all about convenience and that personal touch. Another opportunity lies in becoming a Valentine's Day photographer. Couples are always looking for ways to capture their love. Offering a Valentine's Day photo shoot could be the perfect solution. You don't necessarily need a professional camera for this. A good quality smartphone camera can do the trick. It's all about capturing the moment and creating memories. Finally, consider selling Valentine's Day themed digital products. These could be anything from e-cards and wallpapers to digital art and music. The beauty of this is that it can be done from anywhere and doesn't require physical inventory. Now, to summarize, here are the main points we've discussed. Selling handmade gifts. This involves crafting unique, personalized items and selling them to those looking for a special gift. Becoming a Valentine's Day event planner. This involves arranging unique experiences for couples or groups of friends. Offering gift delivery services. This involves delivering Valentine's Day gifts on behalf of others, saving them time, and offering convenience. Becoming a Valentine's Day photographer. This involves offering photo shoot services to couples looking to capture their love. Selling Valentine's Day themed digital products. This involves creating and selling digital products with a Valentine's Day theme. Remember, the success of these ventures depends largely on your creativity, effort, and ability to provide value. So start planning now, and who knows? This Valentine's Day, you might just find that love isn't the only thing in the air. There might be a little extra cash floating around too.